Cap here, just do the repair and tips. And we got this problem of this plug here. I can't reach under there to plug it in. So we're going to try to remedy that problem for plugging stuff in underneath the table here. So hang on. We came up with this idea. We put a Harbor Freight clamp on the end of a stick here. Actually, it's a flag. And we're going to try to use that. So hang on. Like that, we're going to put the plug on there and see if we can plug it in. I'm not going to actually show it because I don't have like 3 hands. I'm not an octopus. So we did manage to get that plug plugged in. Not all the way in, but you know, the item turns on. I have a better solution to this. I don't have the materials right now. So if you rate and subscribe, I could get the materials and make sure you do the notification button to see that next video, and I'll show you how to make a real good one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.